It is 4:30 in the morning. It is fucking freezing. It's pissing down rain outside. I'm not feeling the best. I've got a bit of a sore throat and a bit of a cough, but it's Wednesday morning, so I've got to go out there and run a half marathon. Anyway, I just told myself that I was a piece of shit, the future version of myself that didn't go for a run. Anyway, that guy's gone, so probably wasn't the greatest idea. After about 10 Ks, I felt my body just go from freezing cold to boiling hot, definitely developing a fever. But then again, I do stand by my decision because a fever may last for 1 or 2 days. Bitching a run lasts a lifetime.